Alright, what's up? So, today, can you see it? You can see it a little bit, right there. So, Lancer, we're doing stuff. Got a whole bunch of stuff in. Most of it super ricey, whatever. I'm over it, I'm doing it. So, I'm sure you know what that is. Junk. And we got these bad boys. So, yeah, not even gonna try to apologize for, but the middle school insides of me are pretty excited, not gonna lie. So I was also gonna wash it, but now it looks like it's gonna rain. So these going in the car, I don't care. I do want to wire them into the battery because I hate this. That actually does bother me a lot. But for the time being, to make sure they work, get them all where they look okay, and then I can deal with that later, I guess. So I'm gonna move my car, or get rained on, or something. Random guy walking by me. It's weird, but yeah. Okay. Ignore the stupid dirty car, but here is how you install stupid cheap, car interior lights from eBay or Amazon or whatever you're into. You take this guy, you put it in here. It's important, obviously. You take this guy. It's got a hole in it. This is not a hole. This is a not opposite hole. Opposite hole goes into hole. Done. This bad boy right here. Find your thing. Oh, we got some conflicts. Not gonna be able to charge my phone. No. You get in there. Yeah. Cute. Alrighty, let's see. So these little fellas should press this. Oh, there they go. This guy. Ugh, gross. Why is there like a thing on this? Whatever. Ouch. Off. Oh, where's the... So this little guy right here. See this little tail thing? That's actually the sensor. Receiver. Whatever it's called. So this needs to point to that. Off. Come on. Don't fail me now. Oh, it's probably got a battery thing. Yep, it does. Pull that up. Yeah. Okay. Battery's connected now. Off. On. Red brightness. Obviously we want all the way. Green. Yay! Don't use any of the cycles or flashes because they're just horrifying. But my interior lights are red, so I'm doing red, I think. Normally I'm a purple kind of guy, but hey, whatever. So now, the fun part of, one of these has got to go down here somewhere. One's got to go down here somewhere. And then in theory, one will go there, one will go there. So, I'm just going to do that. You can figure it out. You can either just throw it under things or make it look nice. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. So, yeah. And look at that. We're back. There's my feet. They're lighting up all sorts of colors. So that's cool. These ones are stuck on right under the ledge of this guy. So it's pointed pretty good right at the pedals, which is fun. Don't make fun of me for not having a clutch. Same with this one. So, top part's pretty dark, but, this part's super fire, so can't complain. These back ones I zip tied to the rail, so they're not going anywhere. They don't look super good from, the daytime with all the doors open, but they'll look good at night. See, you can see it going all the way back and stuff, so I made sure they were pointed good. So that's exciting. One down, and I got like a box full more parts to go, so stay tuned. I'm pretty excited, you know. Not necessarily proud of this, but I mean, I think the middle school inner child in me is proud of this. That's all that matters, right?